Hey everyone, so you're thinking about building your own house? That's fantastic. It's a big job, no doubt about it. But with the right planning and guidance, it can be one of the most rewarding things you ever do. We're gonna walk you through every step of the way, from the first pour to the last piece of trim. We'll show you what to look out for, what pitfalls to avoid, and how to make sure your dream home is built right. All right, before we even think about picking up a hammer, we need a solid plan. This is where you figure out what you really want in your home. How many bedrooms? Do you need a home office? What about an open concept kitchen and living area? Once you have a good idea of the layout, you need a professional set of blueprints drawn up. These are the roadmaps to your dream home, so don't cut corners here. And of course, you need to figure out your budget. Be realistic and factor in everything, including permits, material, and labor. Remember, a good plan is like a strong foundation. It sets you up for success. Don't rush this stage. Take your time and get it right. Trust me, it'll save you headaches down the road. With the plans finalized, it's time to get your hands dirty. First things first, you need to choose the right location. Consider things like access to utilities, drainage, and sun exposure. Then it's off to get the necessary permits from your local municipality. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Once the paperwork is sorted, it's time to clear the land and prepare the site. This might involve removing trees, grading the land, and bringing in utilities. Finally, we get to pour the foundation. This is literally the bedrock of your home, so it needs to be done right. We'll talk about the different types of foundations and how to make sure yours is built to last. Now, the fun really begins. With the foundation in place, we can start building the skeleton of your own house, the concrete framing. This involves erecting walls, beams, and joists that will define the shape and structure of your own house. Next up, it's time to get that roof over your head. We'll cover everything from choosing the right roofing materials to ensuring proper insulation and ventilation. With the concrete framing and roof in place, we can start installing windows and doors. This is a big step because it finally starts to feel like a real home. All right, time to head inside. This is where things start to get exciting. We're going to tackle all the important systems that make a house a home, starting with insulation. Proper insulation is crucial for energy efficiency and comfort. We'll explore the different types of insulation and how to install them correctly. Next, it's time for the rough-in of your plumbing and electrical systems. This involves running pipes, wires, and ductwork through the walls and ceilings. Once the rough-in is complete, we can start closing up the walls with drywall, installing flooring, and adding all those beautiful fixtures and finishes that will make your own house a home. Now that the interior is coming together, let's shift our focus to the outside. It's time to give your home some serious curb appeal. We'll start with the siding. There are tons of options available, from durable concrete to low-maintenance vinyl. We'll help you choose the best material for your needs and budget. Next up, it's time to add a splash of color with a fresh coat of paint. We'll share some tips on choosing the right paint and getting a professional looking finish. And finally, we'll install gutters and downspouts to protect your home from water damage. We're in the home stretch now. This is where we add those final touches that really make your house pop. We're talking landscaping, installing walkways, and maybe even building a concrete deck or patio. But before you get too comfortable, there's one crucial step left: the final inspection. A certified inspector will come in and make sure everything meets local building codes and safety standards. This is for your protection, so don't even think about skipping it. Congratulations, you've made it. The final inspection is complete, and you've got the green light to move into your dream home. This is the moment you've been working towards, so savor it. Now comes the fun part, making it your own. Unpack those boxes, arrange your furniture, and hang those pictures. This is your space to relax, unwind, and create lasting memories. And there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground, but hopefully, you now have a better understanding of what it takes to build your own house. Remember, building a home is a huge undertaking, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Remember, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Check out the links in the description for more detailed videos on each stage of the building process. So get out there, build your dream, and make it right.